Jai Gurdev, dear students. So today we will revise chapter 2 of EVS, that is On the Move Again. So this chapter is about a famous classical dancer Sudha Chandran. Yes, you can see the picture of Sudha Chandran. She is the renowned Bharatanatyam dancer. Now we will see the life of Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran was born in a Tamil family in 1964 and she was very fond of dancing. She started dancing at the age of 3 by her own. By looking at her interest in dancing, her parents decided to give her formal training in Bharatanatyam at the age of 5. But at that time, the principal of that famous dance school denied. But when he saw the dance skills of Sudha Chandran, he gave her admission in famous dance school. That dance school was Kala Sadan in Tamil. Sudha gave her first dance performance on the stage at the age of 8 years. When she was only 8 years old, at that time only she has given the first stage dance performance. Sudha Chandran has done her schooling from St. Joseph's Convent School, and by the age of 17 she has given almost 75 stage performances. All was going well, but there was a point which has changed Sudha Chandran's life totally. In 1981, when she was traveling to Tirupati with her parents, she met with an accident and the wounds in her right leg developed gangrene. Gangrene is a severe problem, means it just caused the rotting of that part of that area, and because of the gangrene, doctors had advised to ampute her leg. Otherwise, that gangrene would have spread all over her body. So it was better to cut her legs from that part where the gangrene was developed, and so her leg was amputated, which has totally shattered her, and she was in the shock, definitely. But just 6 months later, she read about Dr. Sethi of Jaipur. He was a specialist in artificial limbs and is the recipient of the Raman Magase Award. He was also inventor of famous Jaipur food. So that made Sudha believe that she can walk again and she can dance again. And by the total work of Dr. Sethi has worked a lot. He has deputed an assistant to assist the Sudha's dance so that he could make the changes in her artificial limbs, and so that successfully Sudha can dance with that prosthetic legs. And yes, on 28 January 1984, she presented a dance on stage with another dancer in a hall of South Indian Welfare Society, and she was acknowledged as proficient dancer. For dancing, she had received 2 important awards, Nritya Mayuri from the Dance Academy and Bharatanatyam and Navjyoti from the Telugu Academy. Dancing with prosthetic leg has just made her famous, and all the magazines and newspapers were filled with the appreciation of Sudha Chandran. Very soon, a film director has signed Sudha for a movie, and Sudha has done her first movie in Telugu, that was Mayuri. Afterwards, that movie was dubbed in Hindi, and that Hindi movie is known as Nache Mayuri. You can see the poster of that movie in this slide. Sudha was established as a professional actor also. After that, after doing the movies, she got married, and in 1995 she started working in television serials, and some television serials are mentioned here like Kabhi Dar Kabhi Udhar, Aparajita, Commando, Marshall, and one of the special serial of the children, Shaktiman, she was casted in that serial too. So it is the Sudha Chandan who has put an example before us that despite any disability we should come forward, we should not be hopeless, and we should show our dedication and determination towards our goal. That's all. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.